Hello everyone, welcome to another financial literacy session. My name is Jerilyn S. Lau, a financial educator in IMG, International Marketing Group. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay isa sa mga sekreto ng mga mayayaman, ang isang investment vehicle tungo sa ating mga pangarap, ang mutual fund. What you will learn today, narinig mo na ba ang powerful concept na Rule of 72? Ano ang mutual fund? How it works? At ano ang mga benefits ng mutual fund? And of course, kung paano ka makapag-umpisa. So paano nga ba pagtrabahuin ang pera? So intindihin natin yung Rule of 72. Ang Rule of 72 ay ginagamit upang malaman kung paano or gaano katagal bago madoble ang iyong pera sa pamamagitan ng pag-i-invest. So ang 72, i-divide mo lang sa interest, sa annual interest ng iyong savings, that equals to the number of years your money doubles. Halimbawa, nag-ipon ka sa bank ng 10,000 pesos at ang interest nito ay 1%. So 72 divided by 1 equals 72. So meaning, after 72 years, magiging 20,000 na yung ipon mo, yung pera mo. Kaya pag nasa bank lang ang pera mo, hindi mo talaga mafe-feel ang tubo kasi ang liit lang ng interest. Actually, pwede mong i-invest ang pera mo sa may higher interest. So 4%, 8%, 12%. Makikita mo ito sa mutual funds na investment. So kung in-invest mo sa 4%, 72 divided by 4 equals 18. So every 18 years, your money doubles. So halimbawa, nag-start ka ng 24 years old. So yung pera mo is 100,000. So after 18 years, you're 42, nagiging 200,000 na yung pera mo. After 18 years, 60 ka na, magre-retire ka na, then you have 400,000. Diba? So, okay ba yan? Okay na ba yan for retirement? Pwede mo rin ilagay yung ipon mo sa 8%. So, 72 divided by 8 equals 9, meaning every 9 years, your money doubles. So, if you are 24 years old now, meron kang 100,000. Every 9 years, after 9 years, 33 ka na, meron ka ng 200,000. After 9 years, 42 years old ka na, magiging 400,000 na. After 9 years, 51 years old, you will have 800,000. And then after 9 years, 60 ka na, mag-retire na, then you will have 1.6 million. So okay ba yan? Okay na ba yan for retirement? Pwede mo rin ilagay ang pera mo sa 12% interest, gaya ng stock market or equity fund. So 72 divided by 12 equals 6, meaning every 6 years, your money doubles. So malaki ang pwede mong kitain kung mataas ang interest. Pero mas risky din siya compared sa may mga mababang interest. Kaya kung mag-i-invest ka, dapat long-term lagi yung goal mo, like 10 years and above. In this example, talagang i-maximize natin sa compounding interest ng pera. Now imagine, kung nilagay mo yung pera mo sa 4% interest, pero pwede pala itong kumita ng 12%, magkano yung difference? Diba? Kung 4%, 400,000 yung pera mo, kung 12%, 6.4 million. So meaning to say, magkano yung difference? 6 million. Ilang taon mong pagtrabahuan para kumita ng 6 million? But through financial education, ngayon, alam mo na pwede palang ang pera ang magtrabaho para sa atin. Pwede palang ang pera ang magtrabaho para sa iyo. Ang tanong, saan nakalagay ang pera mo ngayon? Baka nasa 1% pa. Hindi mo ma-maximize ang compounding power ng pera mo. Baka nakalagay pa sa bank, no? You're a depositor, pero alam mo ba na ang bangko, ini-invest nila ang pera mo sa mga instruments na ito. Government securities, commercial assets, no? Stocks and equities, ipapaloan nila, no? Real estate, na pwede siyang kumita ng 12%. Pero magkano ang ibabalik ng bangko sa'yo? 1%. Bakit? Kasi hindi ikaw yung investor. So alam mo ba, kung saan ini-invest ni bank yung pera mo, pwede ka ding mag-invest doon through mutual fund. Mutual fund is an investment company. So ang pera mo ay ini-invest din nila dito. So same lang, no? Pero kung kumita ang mutual fund ng 12%, magkano ang ibabalik ng mutual fund sa'yo? 12% din. Diba? So ito yung maganda kung direct kang mag-i-invest sa mutual funds. Knowing the basics, understanding mutual funds. Sa mutual fund, ang pera ng maraming investors ay pinagsama-sama at ipinagkakatiwala sa mga professional fund managers. So ang mga managers na ito ang nag-aasikaso at namamahala sa fund para matiyak na ito ay kikita at ang pera ay ipinapasok sa iba't ibang investments tulad ng stocks, bonds at iba pang securities. So how does mutual fund works? Mutual fund is an investment company. Madami tayong nag-i-invest sa mutual fund. Merong individual, merong companies, government agencies, and corporations. Pag-isahin ng mutual fund company ang pera natin at ibibili niya ng mga shares ng mga companies na ito. Kaya ang tawag sa iyo ay shareholder. So shareholder ka ng Jollibee, shareholder ka ng BPI, ng SM. Pag kumita ang mga companies na ito, kikita ka din. So, mutual fund allows us to earn what the wealthy are earning. Hindi naman tayo pwedeng magtayo ng Jollibee dahil kailangan natin ng millions. So, ang gagawin natin, bibili na lang tayo ng shares ng Jollibee. Ang 500 pesos mo or 1,000 pesos mo, makakabili na ng shares ng Jollibee. So, pag member ka ng IMG, may access ka kay Rampver Financial. So, sa Rampver Financials ang partner natin sa mutual fund investment. So how much can you save? Depende yan sa goal mo. Halimbawa, gusto mo ng 1.8 million 20 years from now. So magkano iipunin mo? That's 2,000 every month for 20 years para ma-achieve mo yung 1.8 million 20 years after. So, halimbawa, what if 1,000 lang ang kayang ipunin? 1,000 pesos 20 years after, that's 900,000 or almost 1 million. But kung tuloy-tuloy lang, 30 years, that's also 3 million. No? So, yan. Dapat may mutual fund na tayong lahat. Ang maganda sa mutual fund, kasi pwede kang mag-invest kahit 20 pesos. Saan naabot ang 20 pesos mo? Actually, no, yung 20 pesos mo, that's 500, 600 every month. 20 years na mag-iipon, that's 500,000 din, no? Ang mutual fund ay isang magandang paraan para palaguin ang iyong pera. So, ito yung mga benefits ng mutual fund investing. Number 1, affordable. For 1,000 pesos, pwede ka nang mag-start, mag-invest sa mutual funds at para makadagdag ng investment mo, 20 pesos lang ang kailangan. Number 2, professional manager. It is professionally managed. Kaya hindi ka matatakot dahil may mga experts na magmamanage ng fund mo kung saan ka nag-i-invest or mag-i-invest. Number 3, higher returns. Kasi mga experts nga ang mag-manage ng pera mo, mag-research sila kung ano yung mga gandang companies or stocks na bibilhin. Kaya sigurado na kikita yung investment natin. Number 4, diversified. Sabi nga nila, do not put your eggs in one basket. So, ang isang mutual fund company ay nag-i-invest hindi lang isa, kundi madaming company sa Pilipinas or even abroad. So, of course, depende yan sa napili mo na mutual fund instrument. Then, it's tax exempt, ang ating mutual fund investment. And of course, it's liquid, no? Meaning to say, madaling magdagdag, madali ding mag-withdraw. Kung na-achieve mo na yung goal mo, halimbawa, 10 years from now, na-achieve mo na yung goal mo, you can withdraw it, no? But actually, you can withdraw it anytime. Kailangan lang long-term yung goal natin para makita natin yung growth ng pera natin. And then, of course, may bonus benefit ang convenience kasi hindi mo na kailangan i-monitor ang investment mo. You can focus on investing regularly. Once maging member ka ng IMG, so ito yung mga partner companies natin. So when it comes to investment, ang partner natin is Rampver Financial. So ito yung mga mutual funds na partner natin. So Vivo, Atram, PhilEquity, BPI, PAMI, and Sun Life. So IMG does not sell mutual funds. All mutual funds are sold by Rampver Financial. So become part of IMG. Ito yung mga exclusive benefits. Of course, number 1, financial education. Meron kang libro, meron tayong workshops. So ito yung mga workshops natin kung kailangan mong matuto about how to increase your cash flow and debt management, no? May mga utang, kailangan natin maging debt-free. So, attend ka lang ng workshop 1. Meron tayong building a strong financial foundation. Workshop 2, building wealth and asset accumulation, all about investments. Ang pag-uusapan natin dito. Workshop 3, and then retirement planning and wealth preservation. Workshop 4. Workshop 5 is building a business in the financial industry. Marami tayong mga benefits, over 60 benefits. Meron kang members online portal or online account, meron kang user ID, meron kang password, and then makikita mo one single view of all your benefits. Of course, your mutual fund, no? So, dyan mo makikita, ma-access ang mutual fund mo and other savings and investments mo, no? So, how to become part of IMG? There are 2 options. Number 1, basic membership. So, sa basic membership, that's 6,000 pesos. So, meron ka ng lifetime enrollment to financial education classes, meron kang 100,000 personal accident insurance, 50,000 memorial insurance, and meron ng mutual fund account na pwede kang mag-start for 1,000 pesos initial investment. And of course, madami marami pa, no? So, based on the financial foundation, panoorin mo yung video ko on Solid Financial Foundation. So, based on the Solid Financial Foundation, kung basic member ka ng IMG, meron ka ng insurance at meron ka ng investment. Pwede ka rin maging associate member, 12,382. Meron ka ng lifetime membership sa IMG, Fidelity at K100 Kaiser na monthly, yung first month mo. So, lifetime enrollment to financial education classes, meron ka ng 1 million personal accident insurance because of your additional Kaiser K100. Meron ka ng 500,000 memorial benefits because of your Kaiser. And then, 20 years from now, meron ka ng 1.1 million retirement and healthcare fund. So, after becoming a member for 12,382, pwede mo na i-continue yung Kaiser mo na 5,882 per month for 7 years para makuha mo yung 1.1 million retirement and healthcare fund mo 20 years from now. So meron ka pa ring mutual fund na 1,000 initial investment. Ang maganda kasi pwede ka na rin maging financial educator like me, no? Pwede mo din itong gawing career and you can earn because meron ka ng financial brokerage business. So, of course, madami pang benefits. Based on the financial foundation, you will have healthcare, meron ka ng insurance, at meron ka ng investment. So, at least you have the 3 major financial needs natin. Okay, so para sa mga karagdagang kaalaman, you can message me on Facebook or you can message me on Instagram. Again, my name is Jerilyn Eslao. Together with my husband, Egbert, we are IMG Financial Educators. So ito na lang yung ibibigay ko sa inyo from Proverbs 21:20. The wise store up choice food and olive oil, but fools gulp theirs down.